Hey Edson, it's Mayor Zahara here with a COVID-19 update. Edson Town Council and Administration met yesterday as a part of the Emergency Management Advisory Committee to talk about reopening of facilities as a part of Stage 2. They're originally supposed to be in Stage 3, but the provincial government announced a much quicker reopening here last week. So we are putting plans in place to reopen facilities. I'm here at the Spray Park today, and as you can see, the fence is down because we are going to be reopening the Spray Park tomorrow at 11 a.m. and we are going to be under reduced hours throughout the summer from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. as long as COVID-19 restrictions are in place. This is to ensure that we are making sure we have monitoring of the park as well as increased sanitization each morning before opening. We do have restrictions still in place with COVID-19 in the province of Alberta, including the physically distancing, hand sanitization, group gatherings, that sort of thing. So we are asking that group sizes are under 100 people here at Kinsman Park, and staff will be monitoring and letting people know what the rules are when they are coming down here. Make sure your kids know that, and if you're not comfortable, then just don't bring your kids down here. It is used at your own risk, but we certainly want to ensure that kids have some activities to do this summer, and this is a wonderful place to be in the summertime. If you spend any time down here, it's just a wonderful park. Vision Park is another facility that we are looking at reopening here fairly soon with 8 diamonds this summer. Of course, we are under a reduced budget with the emergency budget passed by council earlier this spring. We also have Trans Mountain work that is occurring through the park, which we believe will be beginning in August. So we are going to reopen about 8 diamonds in the middle of the park. Here we will be meeting with user groups to talk about that and what the plans are moving forward. As well, Repsol Place is a major facility. I know a lot of people are wondering what's happening with that. There's a lot of rules in place when it comes to sanitization, a limited number of people allowed in the facility, and with the emergency budget as well, we do have reduced staff. Many of the leisure center staff are working in parks currently because we don't have summer students in parks, so we have to take all that into consideration before any final determinations are being made. We'll have further details on what that's going to look like down the road. We are going to be meeting with user groups such as minor hockey, figure skating, that sort of thing, and we'll have further details on when the reopening will be. Right now, we're targeting an early fall opening, but council still has to make some final determinations and, of course, reinstitute some money if we are going to be opening up sooner than what we anticipated. So stay tuned. We'll have further information on that as it becomes available. The town office is reopened Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. We certainly encourage online payment as well in order to reduce exposure to COVID-19. The public workshop also open Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. To 3 p.m. And the Protective Services building does remain closed just due to the critical work that the firefighters obviously do to protect our community. So we'll have further updates as they're available. You can check out our website, edson.ca. Once again, we are under an emergency budget to save $1.8 million this year, which has resulted in some tax savings and for future programs related to COVID-19 later on this year, which is why you're seeing some less mowing happening, reduced staff. We have 10 less summer students, for example, this year, which is quite significant when we have the number of parks that we do.